Yo, this is the day in the life of an owner operator couple. We got my wife right there. So we're gonna pick up the truck right now. I just left the house. We planning on spending 3 weeks on the road if the truck let us. Let's pray we have a better week. So we pick up an MT. We're going to Georgia. I got wifey driving.
Like always.
Like always. Last week we were having a hard time with the DEF. So this week we try to make enough money to offset the loss. That's if the truck is not giving us any problem. So far so good. We ready to go. We got another load. Where we at and where we going?
We're in Columbus, Ohio. Heading to Newark, New Jersey.
How is the truck so far? Any problem, any issues?
It's working fine. We just had an emission testing and it passes. So that's a good sign of the truck has been fixed.
Being an owner operator right now, the loads are not paying, so it's pretty bad. We are in a bad situation right now, but when it's good, it's good. But right now, it's not a good time for me to be an owner operator. These few months been hard on us, and if you have breakdowns, it's gonna get worse. Amazon is literally paying $1.20 for a load right now, so I'm trying to get my truck off the road and send everybody home for the week and see if we can try it again next time. I'm looking for a better company at the moment. I got wifey here, so come with us. We're about to take a shower real quick. The week just came to an end, and we only make 3,000 miles, and that wasn't good enough. You feel me? I felt like I've been driving for a minute, but it's only been 3,000 miles. Yeah, we'll try again this week. Last week was bad, but we'll try again this week and see if we can have a better luck. If you guys go ahead and subscribe, I'll make a video and show you guys how much money I made last year. And just make sure you guys subscribe for it. And then as soon as I get 10,000 subscribers or 10,000 followers, I'll make a video and show you guys how much money we lost and how much we made last year. And we go over the nitty gritty, you know. Best thing about trucking is that I got my wife with me. Make life a little bit easier, you know. So that's one of the best things, man. Can't complain. A lot of you guys be like, oh, y'all don't want to be out here alone. If you get your wife with you, it's gonna be way easier, man. I promise you that. It's not only about sex. I know a bunch of you motherfuckers like, oh yeah, nigga, you get to smash whatever you want. You can't smash when you stressed. When your tire pop, you can't smash. Yeah, man. So yeah, come with us, man. We're about to take a shower. My wife, you know, that's the beauty of it. That's the beauty of being with your partner on the truck. Yeah, man, let's go. No lie.
Did you turn on the light?
Yes, I did. Which one is bacon? This is bacon. Check it. Is it clean? Ah, motherfucker had me running. Yeah. I'm tired.
Well, Bill, how to make my husband run after me.
Yeah. So today we have a load tomorrow. The load's picking up tomorrow. Where we going, baby?
California.
We're going to California. Oh, then we're gonna have the chance to return the water pump. We had purchased a water pump, and we swap it. We had to return the car. Is that how you call it? Mm-hmm. We had to return the car, but they didn't want to get it from us in Florida. So since we're going to California, we just drive it there. Hopefully everything goes well. But at the moment, we're about to take a shower. My baby butt naked right now. We're about to do a little yeah. Let's go though. Shower completed. Now we're going to get something to eat. What you wanna eat, baby? Some Chinese food?
There's no chicken wings? Chicken. Half noodles. No meat?
Chicken for meat. Last month we lost around $40,000 on maintenance. This week try to get it back. So far, so good. Look at her. What you got?
Nothing. I bought
What
a cup.
did you just buy?
I bought a cup
Why?
so I can get refills.
It doesn't have no drink. How you gonna put an empty cup? What we gonna do with it?
I'm gonna wash it and go get a drink.
Like right now?
Yeah.
That is crazy.
It's a nice cup.
You a choker now. You a choker. Oh my god, what you gonna do with this? Is it free refill
Yes.
for the rest of your life?
As long as we have the free refill on the app.
Only when we get the refill.
Yeah.
So she went and purchased how much you purchased that for?
$8.
$8. They give you free refill sometimes. Not all the time, sometimes, right?
Yes, sometimes.
Oh my god.
You making me feel like I'm crazy.
Look at this, guys. This is a bucket. What? Oh fuck. So yeah, we have 3 trucks and 2 of them with Amazon right now, and Amazon is not paying. They pay like $1.20, $1.30. So therefore I just send my truck at home. I send my driver at home for now because this is outrageous, man. How y'all expect me to pay for fuel, pay for fuel, insurance, and breakdown maintenance, all on $1.20, and I gotta pay my drivers? This is crazy. I was thinking about getting my own authority. It's like the insurance is crazy and everything, you feel me? So I'm running under somebody else's authority, which is okay. But this truck right here, it's good, you know. I got a good company. I'm not gonna say which company it is because I don't want to put my business out there. But it's a pretty good company. I was trying to put all my truck with them, but for some reason they don't want to take my trucks. They're talking about if you're from Florida, you can't add more trucks. So that's why I'm struggling right now. Wifey is coming. Watch. She got some. What do we have here, ma'am? She got some drinks. Let's see. Wait. Yeah. Did you taste it?
I did.
You like it?
I tasted the Sprite. It wasn't good, and I got this one.
Did you taste this one?
I did.
Okay. I just drove 700 miles. I'm tired. I'm going to sleep. Now I'm about to pass the torch to my wife to carry on. Hello. Are you ready? She ready. She's just brushing right now. Man, I'm tired. That's a lot of driving. You're about to enter California in a few minutes. Man, you know how that goes. 50 miles per hour. I couldn't do that. But yeah, man. Earlier I thought the cop stopped and was gonna stop me because I was going down a mountain and I was doing like 75, and the thing just switched from 65 to 70. I don't know why they do that. Like,
What are you doing? You guys should see what he's doing.
what am I doing? I'm just they don't need to know what I'm doing. She going crazy. Man, they don't need to know what I'm
Hey, it's your turn.
We in Cali right now. We about to get some
up,
food.
baby?
Look who's with me. Look, my wife. Doesn't she look like a character from Disney or something? Look at that. Hey! So we're going to that Mexican. We're going to that Mexican restaurant. Last time when the truck broke down, we came here. That shit was good. Okay.
The chicken was good.
The chicken was good, but the rice wasn't. The chicken was
I'm
alright.
just here for the chicken. It was alright. Yeah.
So yeah, come with us. And let's go explore. So we're getting the number 15. She need extra chicken. She need extra chicken. Okay, we just got some food, and in a few minutes, my wife was gonna change into all happy and giggly and shit. But hey, you can see the change already. I think she smelled the food. Look how disrespectful. Yes, this morning she haven't ate nothing. Now
I said, you don't want me to be happy?
I want you to be happy. What are you talking about? I'm just showing people the type of relationship my wife has with food. She has a really interesting one. Okay guys, this is the food.
That shit is nasty, man. That tortilla thing.
You want it, man? Can you give me a smile? That is way different. Yo, that is way different. That's a different person right there. Hey, you on camera? Oh! Oh! What the fuck was that? Chicken was so good. Nah, we keeping this, man. We keeping this shit. Like, the fuck was that? Hey, we got wifey, so we got a few stuff. Let me see what we have. Water, milk, snacks. Baby, look at her. You guys see her? She's smiling. That's a different person. Go inside. Get your butt inside. I give you the rest of the stuff. She is no longer hungry. Therefore, she is not mad. Simple math. Ain't that right, baby? Okay, we spent 14K last month on the truck and the DEF problem. So these people were trying to make the money back. We actually did mission accomplished. You know, they be happy. What are you happy for? So right now we're doing a reset. We're getting ready for the next week. I'll see you guys until then. Peace.